Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, the place where creativity meets sustainability, and simple materials turn into beautiful home decor. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of smart upcycling, a creative way to transform forgotten or unused items into stylish pieces that people truly love. If you've ever looked at a box of old tools and wondered whether they still have value, you're about to discover just how much potential they hold. Old tools often carry character, history, and a unique industrial charm that modern decor lovers find irresistible. Instead of throwing them away or letting them gather dust in the garage, you can give them a brand new life. With a little imagination and a few simple crafting techniques, these worn-out tools can become beautiful mini decor pieces, functional accessories, and even profitable crafts that buyers are eager to purchase. The beauty of upcycling is that it doesn't require expensive materials or complicated skills. In fact, many of the best ideas come from simple creativity and resourcefulness. Items like old wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, or hand saws can be transformed into unique wall hooks, rustic candle holders, stylish key racks, miniature sculptures, or charming desk accessories. Each piece becomes a conversation starter, something that tells a story and adds personality to any home. Right now, handmade and upcycled decor is more popular than ever. People are increasingly looking for unique, eco-friendly decorations instead of mass-produced items. That means there is a growing market for creative crafts made from reclaimed materials. If you enjoy working with your hands or experimenting with DIY projects, these mini crafts can become more than just a hobby. They can also become a small creative business opportunity. In this video, we'll explore several smart and profitable mini craft ideas that you can make using old tools. These projects are beginner-friendly, budget-friendly, and perfect for anyone who loves rustic, industrial, or vintage-inspired decor. You'll see how a simple tool can be transformed into something stylish and functional that fits beautifully into modern homes. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a craft lover, or someone who simply enjoys creative home decor ideas, you'll find plenty of inspiration here today. Many of these ideas can be made using tools you might already have at home or can easily find at flea markets, thrift stores, or even in your own toolbox. Before we jump into these creative transformations, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new ideas on woodworking, upcycling, and unique home decor inspiration. Your support helps this channel continue sharing creative and practical projects that anyone can try. So get ready to see how old tools can become beautiful, profitable mini crafts that home decor lovers truly appreciate. Let's start turning those forgotten tools into stunning pieces of decor. Many people have old wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, or hand tools lying unused in garages or storage boxes. Instead of throwing them away, these tools can be transformed into stylish decor pieces that combine industrial charm with rustic beauty. With just a little creativity, patience, and a few simple materials like reclaimed wood, screws, or metal brackets, these forgotten tools can become items that buyers truly appreciate. One creative idea is turning old tools into rustic wall hooks. Tools such as wrenches or pliers can easily be reshaped into hooks that are both decorative and functional. After cleaning the tools and removing heavy rust, they can be slightly bent to form a hook shape. When mounted onto a small piece of reclaimed wood, the tool instantly becomes a unique wall hanger that can hold keys, coats, hats, or kitchen towels. The combination of aged metal and natural wood creates a beautiful rustic look that fits perfectly in farmhouse-style homes, industrial apartments, or cozy entryways. These wall hooks are popular because they are simple, useful, and visually interesting, making them a great craft item for small online shops or local craft markets. Old tools can also be repurposed into creative key holders for entryways. Many homeowners struggle with finding a convenient place to keep their keys, so a handmade key holder can be both practical and decorative. By attaching several small tools onto a wooden board, each tool becomes a hook where keys can hang. For example, small wrenches or bent screwdrivers can act as hooks, while the wooden board can be stained or decorated with engraved words like welcome or home. The finished piece becomes a charming entryway organizer that blends function with artistic design. These key holders are highly appealing because they solve an everyday problem while adding character to the home. Before we continue with more creative ideas, take a moment to support the channel. If you're enjoying these upcycling ideas, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more creative woodworking and home decor inspiration. Your support helps this channel continue sharing unique and practical craft ideas. Also, feel free to share in the comments if you've ever tried upcycling old tools, or if you have a favorite idea so far. Another creative way to use old tools is by decorating rustic picture frames. A simple wooden frame can become much more interesting when surrounded by small tools or metal parts. Wrenches, gears, measuring tools, or bolts can be attached around the edges to create a unique industrial-style frame. This type of design is perfect for workshops, offices, garages, or rustic homes where the decor celebrates craftsmanship and creativity. The mix of wood and metal gives the frame a strong visual impact, while still keeping a handmade and authentic feel. Old tools can also be transformed into desk accessories that combine practicality with creative design. For example, a group of screwdrivers can be mounted upright in a wooden base to create a distinctive pen holder. Large wrenches can be shaped into phone stands, allowing a phone to rest comfortably while maintaining a stylish industrial look. Even pliers can be used to hold notes, photos, or small cards on a desk. These small accessories are perfect for workspaces because they add personality while still being useful. Many people enjoy decorating their offices with unique handmade items, and upcycled tool accessories fit perfectly into that trend. The beauty of smart upcycling is that it allows you to see potential in objects that others might overlook. Old tools carry a sense of history and craftsmanship that modern mass-produced decor often lacks. When they are repurposed into creative crafts, they become meaningful pieces that tell a story. At the same time, they support sustainability by reducing waste and giving materials a second life. For anyone interested in starting a small craft business, these projects offer a wonderful opportunity. The materials are often inexpensive or even free, and the final products have strong appeal among buyers who appreciate handmade and eco-friendly decor. By experimenting with different designs, finishes, and combinations of wood and metal, you can create products that stand out and attract attention. As you can see, old tools are far more valuable than they might appear at first glance. With creativity and a little effort, they can become beautiful decor items that enhance homes and inspire conversations. Whether you turn them into wall hooks, candle holders, sculptures, picture frames, or desk accessories, each project shows how simple materials can be transformed into something extraordinary. Thank you for spending time with Kuki Decor and exploring these smart upcycling ideas. If you found inspiration in today's video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who love DIY projects and creative home decor. Your support helps this community grow and encourages more creative projects in the future. And remember, sometimes the most beautiful and profitable crafts begin with the simplest forgotten tools waiting to be rediscovered. See you in the next video.